The Perseids Meteor Shower. Everything you need to know. Every August, one of nature's greatest sky shows returns. The Perseids Meteor Shower lights up the night with fast, brilliant shooting stars, drawing millions of people outside to witness one of the year's most spectacular celestial events. But where do these meteors come from? Why are the Perseids so famous, and how can you see the most of them? Let's explore. What are the Perseids? Despite what many people think, meteors aren't stars falling from the sky. The Perseids are tiny pieces of debris shed by Comet Swift-Tuttle, a giant comet that orbits the sun once every 133 years. Over thousands of years, the comet has left behind a stream of dust and rocky fragments along its orbit. Every August, Earth passes through this debris stream. As these particles enter our atmosphere at around 59 kilometers per second, that's over 210,000 kilometers per hour, they heat the air around them until it glows, creating the bright streaks we call meteors. Most of these particles are no bigger than grains of sand, yet they produce incredibly bright flashes high above Earth. Why are they called the Perseids? If you trace the paths of the meteors backward, they appear to originate from the constellation Perseus. This point in the sky is called the radiant, and it's why the meteor shower is known as the Perseids. The meteors can appear anywhere in the sky, but their paths seem to radiate outward from Perseus because of Earth's motion through the comet's debris stream. When is the best time to watch? The Perseids are active for several weeks each summer, but activity builds toward a peak around August 12-13. The best viewing is usually after midnight and before dawn, when your side of Earth is facing into the stream of incoming debris. Under dark, moonless skies, observers can often see 50 to 100 meteors per hour, though the exact number depends on moonlight, weather, and local light pollution. How to get the best view? You don't need any expensive equipment. In fact, telescopes and binoculars actually reduce your field of view. Instead, travel away from city lights. Give your eyes at least 20 minutes to adapt to the darkness. Bring a reclining chair or blanket. Be patient. The longer you watch, the more meteors you'll see. Dress warmly if you're watching overnight, and check the weather forecast before heading out. Fun facts. Here are a few fascinating facts about the Perseids. Some meteors leave glowing ionized trails that remain visible for several seconds. Occasionally, you'll witness spectacular fireballs, exceptionally bright meteors created by larger fragments. The Perseids have been observed for nearly 2,000 years, with historical records dating back to ancient China. Because they occur during warm summer nights in the northern hemisphere, they're among the world's most popular meteor showers. Whether you're a lifelong astronomy enthusiast or simply someone who enjoys looking up at the night sky, the Perseids are a reminder that our planet is constantly traveling through a dynamic solar system filled with ancient cosmic debris. So grab a blanket, head somewhere dark, and spend some time under the stars. You never know when the next brilliant meteor or unforgettable fireball will streak overhead. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more space content, and let me know in the comments how many meteors you spotted during this year's Perseids. Clear skies.